you for years. Live forever, design a better death. Confuse a liar with a savior from fear. Create a myth and separate the chosen ones. Adolescent independence dominion. I only wanna believe in fucking anything, but now my conscience is contradicting everything. The ending's the same. The world will not change. The answer is clear. Show your mothers they have no sons or daughters. Blame yourself because your children are mine. We are orphans, but we are not forgotten, and we will find a way to save us this time. We can run, but we are tired of running. We're dropping seconds in a glass till we die. We only wanna believe in fucking everything, but we're alive and we're not accepting anything. The ending's the same. The world will not change. The answer is clear. Annihilation.
I won't control or restrain things I do not understand. Now I realize I'm stronger, better. They gave to me, now I give to you. The means to burn the thoughts I had. Now I realize I'm stronger, better.
We have to save ourselves. 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 Oh, I will never become another piece inside the paralytic construct I hate. Live forever, well I would rather die. At least I know I wasn't there to create. This is yours, but you had better choose before they take away your right to decide. I guess I'll never believe in fucking anything, but my solace is I can handle everything. The ending's the